ourselves as an alternative to legacy actually core banking platform that are harder actually to deploy and to maintain. Today, Skaleet in some numbers maybe could be interesting.
Yes.
So what we did so far. Today Skaleet is for clients throughout the world. We have a very strong footprint in Europe and in Africa, and we're expanding in other territories in the world.
Excellent.
We have in our clients leading universal banks. We, for instance, work for the Postal Bank, with whom we launched the first bank user service actually model in France. We also have smaller institutions. We have what we call payment institutions or electronic money institutions, who are actually more greenfield projects and waiting for the license to launch. So we also support those business models as well. So to answer your question in a nutshell is a bit of both. What we see is that there is a strong demand throughout Europe for our solution, be it for universal banks or for small institutions that needs to be launched. You pointed out two actually very distinctive features that we have.
Yes.
But of course there are more. Well, there is one thing that's true in financial services is change, and actually we built our solution to support continuously this change and evolve continuously. And saying that, I don't say much, but what I mean is that our solution is highly configurable and flexible, and this is actually what La Banque Postale loves about our solution, is the capacity to evolve continuously and to meet continuously different standards at different time, and especially customer needs that are ever changing. The other thing, of course, is that the time to market is crucial for, I would say, 100% of our clients to launch our solution quite fast and swiftly. And on average, you can launch a bank with us within 6 months. The last thing I would add is that you can personalize and customize the solution as you please. We have, of course, a whole set of APIs where you can build an endless ecosystem and actually enhance your solution like this. And to be transparent, like we have 40 clients, but there is no client that has the same solution as the other. And the flexibility of our solutions allows us actually to serve various business models, being banking as a service, embedded finance, universal banks, B2B neobanks, etc. We can serve them all, and we do serve them all. One thing, and it could be our motto actually at Skaleet, is what we say to our clients is focus on what matters, and what really matters for our clients is your user experience, high-end products and services, whereas we take care of the technology and the hassle of the technology. This is Skaleet. Actually, I see several dimensions to change. Of course, you pointed out the regulatory aspect. This is something that's really important for our clients, being licensed.
Yes.
So this is something where they have actually the scrutiny from the regulator, and they need to be, it needs to be very clear and very straightforward for them. So we support them as a technology provider in meeting those standards as well. The second thing is the customer need, of course. This is something that, it's not cut in stone and will never be cut in stone. And as a technology provider, we need as well to support them with the newest product they're going to launch, the most innovative service they're going to launch, and the flexibility and the agility of our solution is designed actually to meet those standards. The third thing I may add is the competition. Actually, regulators have actually opened the competition throughout Europe, at least with PSD2, for instance, and there are a lot of financial institutions in Europe, and actually regulations have fostered that, and it's good. But when it means for our clients that it means that they need to differentiate and they need to be to stand out from the crowd, and this is another aspect of what can our solution do for them. I would say the technology-wise, I would say I would insist on the flexibility and how we can, us technology providers, support our clients to actually launch quickly, test the waters, I would say, like the product fit, and how they can meet quite fast and easily, and of course, preserving the cost aspects, their future clients. This is something that's out of essence for our clients, and we support them in that as well.